Pineda Luxury presents this exclusive duplex penthouse on Aragon Avenue, a stone's throw from Mestalla and Paseo de la Alameda, located on the 9th floor of this modern building. Upon entering the house, we find the heart of the house, a spacious, very bright living dining room, with different relaxation areas and access to an impressive 90 square meters terrace. Its oval shape allows you to see the gardens of the Túria river and enjoy a panoramic view of Valencia. The kitchen is fully equipped and has large storage areas and pantry. In the rest area, we find 2 bedrooms with fitted wardrobes and windows facing east. A bathroom with a shower that serves this floor. And the master suite, with direct access to the terrace, dressing area and a full bathroom with a bathtub from which to enjoy the views. On the 2nd floor we find a storage area, 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. In addition, the house has 2 parking spaces, heating and air conditioning. If you want more information about this duplex penthouse, contact Pineda Luxury.